Okay, so timing cover. Timing cover has got some lube on. Some lube on the timing cover. Sorry, not lube, gasket sealer. Now we'll put the gasket on. And we will put some more on the front of the engine. Some more gasket sealer. And we'll place this in some nice new nuts and bolts. So let's put that on there now. I think it might be in your way, I'm not sure. Not even looking. Sorry, let me get you down there. A little bit better. Okay, so we'll put some around here. Do the same again. We don't need too much around there, just a little bit. All cleaned off, and all the holes have been reamed through. Make sure that all the dirt and dust and everything is out of them. Paint, whichever went in there. A lot of stuff in there. Okay, that's that done. Up there for now. Let's rub that in there. It will squeeze out anyway. Well, I've got gloves on. Do that. I'll take my gloves off and then I can put them on there. Got some nice new bolts. Got bolts, new bolt kit, because I can't find half the bolts that come with it anyway. Better to buy a new bolt kit and it's job done then. Okay, that's that round there. Let's take your gloves off. We've got 2 location pins on there anyway. So we need to put that in there. Some location pins. Be on that side, one on that side. Location pins right on one side and one side. So I'll put them in there. That's in there. Gasket moved a little bit. That's it. It's an old gasket, well, new, but it's been around a while, so it's going to move a little bit. That's that one on there. That one on there. Beautiful. Now I get all the nice new nuts. Sorry, all the nice new bolts. Put them in. I know I'm struggling at the moment, but I know they fit because I've tried them already. Oh dear, because I'm at an angle. Let's try it with the other one. I'm trying to do it so that you can see me on the camera. Let's go in there. Started. Let's get that one going. Gasket moving inside of it, that's what that is, where it's moving along. And I am unsure what the torques are for this, so I'll have to check that up. Put these in for now. I'll check that up and we'll torque them down, get these going. that annoying chainsaw still in the background. Stopped, don't know how long for. And that's it there. It's not for long. Yeah. I think I heard him just saving out of petrol. That's pretty good for a little while. And that. Well, this is a brand new kit. And where is there one short? Shouldn't be one short. Is it coming out of the packet when I moved it? I have to find out at the same time I'm going to find out what torque settings are. Okay, so I'll turn you off for a bit and we'll find out what torque settings are. Come back to you.